Dear student, before class I am studying for globe, and today class is I am studying for important parallels of latitude. I say this chapter I study globe, axis, latitude, longitude, etc. So today class I am study for latitudes. Okay? What is latitude? So you think what is latitude? Latitude is the circle here. This is the globe. Okay? Globe. All parallel. This line is parallel line. Circle from the equator up to the pole are called parallels of latitudes. जो ये पैरेलल सर्किल में इमेजिनरी लाइन है, इसी को कहते हैं हम लेटीट्यूड. दिस पैरेलल पार्ट ऑल लाइन्स आर latitudes. Okay? And 180 all latitudes line is 181 latitudes. Okay? How many latitudes in globe? 181 latitudes in the globe. So today see the globe, earth, and study for latitudes. How many latitudes? Imaginary line. Latitude is imaginary line. See the main latitude of equator. See the equator. This equator is 0 degree latitudes. Okay? 0 degree latitudes. This line called is equator. Equator is divided by the earth of two parts. I think before classes I read equator is divided of two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay? Equator is divided of the globe two parts. Equator is up part of northern hemisphere and equator is the down part of southern hemisphere. Globe में how many poles in globe? 2 poles. How many poles in globe? 2 poles. Yes, 2 poles. Good. 2 poles. North pole and south pole. Yes, good. North pole and south pole. This is south pole and this is north pole. Okay? After equator, this parallel latitudes in Tropic of Cancer. This parallel latitude called Tropic of Cancer. How many degree of Tropic of Cancer? Yes. How many degree of Tropic of Cancer? Yes. 20 23.5 degree. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree. And next imaginary line in parallel latitude called Arctic Circle. Called Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle, how many degrees? Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree and Arctic Circle of 66.5 degrees. Okay, this line called is Arctic Circle. Yes, and this down northern part is Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and North Pole. To see the equator of southern side is same parallel line 23 degree. This parallel line Tropic of Cancer, she called the 23.5 degree north. See equator of side is north, equator downside is south. So equator upside Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, so 23.5 degree in north and Arctic Circle 66.5 degree in north. Okay, and see the how many poles? I repeat, how many poles in globe? 2 poles. Okay, North Pole and South Pole. Remember? Okay. So see the equator is upside is Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. And equator is southern side. This parallel line is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. How many degrees? How many degrees in Tropic of Capricorn? Yes, good. 23 degree, 23.5 degree south. Okay? This symbol of yes, south, denoted south. Okay? Or this symbol is yan, denoted north. Are you understand? Yeah. This parallel latitude in called of Tropic of Capricorn and next Tropic of Capricorn and next Antarctic Circle, and this parallel latitude is called by Antarctic Circle. How many degrees Antarctic Circle? Yes. How many degree in Antarctic Circle? Yes. 66.5 degree south. Okay. And this equator upside torrid zone, very hot zone, torrid zone. Equator between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, between the torrid zone. Torrid zone between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, between the torrid zone, very hot zone, very summer. Why? क्योंकि while sun rays is already direct see the equator. Okay, So C is called of Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn between the called of trade zone. Okay. Next, Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle between the called of North Temperature Zone. North Temperature Zone. And this Arctic Circle up of North Pole freezed zone. Very cold. Freezed zone. Cold. Snow zone. Okay? And this part of equator in down part of Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle between the zone of South Temperate Zone. This zone is called South Temperate Zone. Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle between zone of South Temperate Zone, called of South Temperate Zone. Okay? And Antarctic Circle and South Pole called of freeze zone. फ्रीज, बिल्कुल फ्रीज. फ्रीज फ्रीज आप लोगों के घर में होगी फ्रीज. यस. फ्रीज मतलब बिल्कुल कोल्ड, जमा हुआ, कोल्ड, स्नो. ओके. दिस कॉल्ड Antarctic Circle and South Pole between called freeze zone. And up north side Arctic Circle and North Pole between the freeze zone. Two freeze zone. North Pole and South Pole is freeze zone. And torrid zone, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn between the trade zone. Okay. How many of the latitudes? How many latitudes? All group? Yes. Okay. 181 latitude. Equator is 0 degree latitude and 90. ये नॉर्थ पोल इसको कहते हैं 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ. सीधा 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ. एंड साउथ पोल को कहते हैं 90 डिग्री साउथ. ओके. सी इज द latitudes. Okay, are you understanding latitudes? So how many latitude in equator in north side? How many? Equator in north side 90 degree north. So 90 latitude in north and 90 latitude in south and 1 latitude in equator. So total 90 plus 90 plus 1 equal to 181 latitude. Okay? Are you understand? Yes. Good. Now then, this part is the earth. Torch. This is a torch and this is a earth. Okay? This is a torch and this is a earth. And this is a light. A light. Okay? Are you understand? Torch, light, earth. Torch, light, earth. Okay? torchlight falling on the straight surface in bright and covered a small area. This part is covered in a small area. Okay, this part is covered in small area, and torchlight falling on a slanted surface is less bright but cover a bigger area. This part is cover is bigger area. Yeah. जब अर्थ ऐसे होती है क्षैतिज, तो क्या करती है लाइट? क्या होता है? बहुत सारी एरिया को कवर करती है, बट उतना हीट नहीं करती है जितना कि दिस टाइम करती है। जब थोड़ा एरिया कवर करती है तो क्या करती है? सन की लाइट अर्थ को बहुत हीट करती है, और जब काफ़ी एरिया मोर देन एरियाज कवर करती है तो क्या करती है? उसको लेस हीट करती है, कम हीट करती है। ओके, तो टुडे क्लास इज आई read in latitudes. How many latitudes in traffic equator, traffic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, traffic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, and two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Okay. So next class I am studying for longitude. See that this class is latitude and one this called is equator and longitude में जब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, दिस क्लास इज इन see the video and more than see, repeat the video. एक बार समझ में नहीं आता, 2 बार देखिए, 3 बार देखिए. क्यों नहीं आएगा? आएगा, आएगा. तो टुडे क्लास इज फिनिश्ड. ओके, थैंक यू.